guys, it's Tracy and I am back with another video, and today we are going to be doing my March favorites. These months, they just keep flying by. I don't know how, I don't know where they went, but yeah, so we are doing March favorites. I didn't have a lot of stuff this month. I don't really have favorite foundations because I'm testing out a different one every week. So it's kind of hard for me to pick like a favorite, but Mister's here again. Like I can't even make it into the filming room without him on my tail. And if I don't let him in, he scratches, he whines, he cries, he sounds like he's dying outside the door. So I have to let him come in. So just, you know, whatever. But yeah, let's get on with the favorites. My first favorite of the month has been this, I don't even know what it's called, facial cleaning brush. And this one is made by Vivitar, and this is their glitter series. Now you can find these at Marshall's, at, I got this one at Burlington, and they're all the same price at all the different places. They're $9.99. And it's actually really good. It's really nice. It comes with two, I don't know if the other head is different. I think it's just like another replacement head. So it comes with two heads, and then it has two separate speeds here, and it runs on AA batteries, I think is what it runs on. And I've just been really liking it. I've used it with my facial cleansers. I even used it with the St. Ives scrub on it, and it worked really nice. I just feel like it gets like any kind of dead, dry skin off of your face really well, and I've really been enjoying it. I mean, for 10 bucks. I was gonna get a Clarisonic. I found a deal on it. It was $62, and of course I didn't get it, and now I was kind of kicking myself because I could have got it for that. But I didn't, so I got this one, 10 bucks, and I've been liking it. So I may, you know, at some point upgrade to the Clarisonic. We'll see what happens. And then I have one tool this month. It's dirty, I just used it, I'm sorry. But this is the Eco Tools blending sponge. They're $5 at Ulta, and right now you can get them buy one, get one 50% off. So it's a nice sponge. I like it. I don't really use this top part right now, but I may, because I have one of the little Real Techniques tiny sponges, and once that's done, I may, you know, try to use this. I try not to powder my under eyes though, so that is another reason. I just use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. That's most days what I have under my eyes, because you don't really need to powder it. And anytime I can avoid powder under my eyes, since, you know, they are aging, I try to stay away from the powder. And then an eyeshadow palette that I've really been loving this month, which I did not think that I was going to get that much use out of this, because it's just a nude palette. This is the Wet n Wild, and it's called Nude Awakenings. And the colors in here, the transition shades, this I have been using. This pairs so well with like the Stila Magnificent Metals, or any kind of like, you know, eye topper that you want to use. This has been working really well, which brings me to my next favorites. These are the Catrice Aquafresh highlighting eyeshadows. I showed these on another video. They're like the ones that are kind of squishy, almost like the Butter London glazes. And it's just not a very good swatch, obviously. But you can just kind of tap them on your eye. I think they only have these two shades. I have the Luminous Sensation, and this one is Water Lights. This is a more like silver one. And I just put these on with like a flat shader brush or my finger, and they are really nice. So these I've been pairing with this Wet n Wild palette, and that's such a nice nude neutral palette that if you have any kind of, you know, bam stuff you want to put on your eyes, that one works so well. So I've really been enjoying that, getting a lot more use out of that than I thought I would. And let's see, this next favorite, I think I showed you guys this in a, I don't know, haul or something. This is by Profusion, and this is their 6-color blush palette. And this is what it looks like. You just get 6, I mean, you get like pretty much any blush that you could want. I've been using this one for, you know, more natural nude days, which this is what I have on my cheeks today. And this bright one, it's not that bright once you put it on your skin. So really been enjoying this. I paid $2.49 for this at Grocery Outlet. And it was the last one there because I went back and I looked to see if they still had them. So really been enjoying that. And then my eyebrow pencil, I've been using this all month long. This is the BH Cosmetics. It's just called their Pro or HD Brow Pencil. And I have it in brunette. And it's one of the fine tip ones. And I've been loving it. It works really good. I believe it's $4.99. So I like it. Have it on my brows today. And then paired with that, did I even put it in here? Oh yeah, I did. I've been using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. It's just the, you know, eyebrow gel. Sweep it on after I fill it in with my pencil, and it doesn't leave your brows crunchy at all. They still feel nice and soft. They don't feel like you've got like any kind of brow gel in them. So really nice and soft. And then, of course, my favorite, Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. Look at the dent I've made in this. I can't even believe it. So, I've really been enjoying this. This is pretty much the only concealer that I use under my eye because you don't need to powder it, and it does still brighten a little bit underneath. So, I've been loving that. And then, I'm sure you guys saw this one coming, the Maybelline Master Prime. This is the Hydrate and Smooth Primer, and I just love this. It's just like a moisturizer. It is white, and it just blends into your face really good. And I find that all of the foundation I've been testing, they all work really good with it. So once you blend it in, it just feels like you're putting another moisturizer on top of your face. So I've really been liking this one a lot. And then a lip pencil that I've been liking. This is the LA Girl Ultimate Lip in Keep It Spicy. This is like my most favorite, most used lip liner. And this, I have lipstick in the corner of my mouth. Thanks for telling me, guys. This, I can put this on, and I know you guys are probably tired of hearing me say like nothing stays on my lips. But this, I can line my lips, put a liquid lipstick on, the liquid lipstick is gone, and then this, my lips are still lined. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to try just filling my lips in with this and see if I can get this by itself to stay. These are $4.99, but for me, if I could actually get something to stay on my lips, I'd be willing to pay a little bit more because, you know, this will probably go a lot faster than a traditional lipstick, but I'd be willing to pay to get this to stay on my lips and then just top it with like a gloss. So been loving that. And then these 3 little guys. These are by Physicians Formula. I picked these up at Burlington Coat Factory. They are 3 eyeliners. You get a black one. You get a gold one. I love this one in the inner rim. This one, the gold one looks really nice. And then a brown one. And then on the bottom is a glitter liner. Guess I'm not putting these in the best spots. So there's the gold. And I think the black one, does not have glitter. I think the black one is just black. And then the brown one does have a little bit of glitter. So you can either, use them to do, like line your whole upper eye. You can use them like in the corners of your eyes. You could use them just to do like a spot, like in the center maybe. So I picked these up. The 3 of these were $3.99 at Burlington Coat Factory. So I'm not, I don't wear liquid liner. So, but for $3.99, I've been using the tops of them, and I'm going to try experimenting with the bottoms of them. But so far, this gold one, I've really been liking to line the inner rim. Looks really good. And let's see, this Physicians Formula, this is their Powder Palette Mineral Glow Pearls. And that's the name of it. This was part of their 80th anniversary edition. I think that they do still sell this, but it's in different packaging. And I ended up picking this up at Rite Aid for, I think it was $1.98, because they were clearancing out all of the 80th anniversary products. And it's what I have on today. And I just really like this. So this has just been in my everyday makeup bag, and I just keep reaching for it. I need to like swap out some of the items that are in that bag, because I kind of tend to use the same stuff if it's in there. And then a hair favorite. This is Biosilk. This is their Silk Therapy with Organic Coconut Oil. And this says it's a leave-in treatment for skin and hair. So this is just, the typical, tame down your flyaways, kind of make your hair shiny. And I've just been really loving this. I got this around Christmas time from my daughter. At Cosmoprof, they had this with a shampoo, and the shampoo is like a 3-in-1. It's like a, you can use it as a shampoo, a conditioner, or a deep conditioner, or a relieving conditioner. So I just usually use it as a shampoo, but then this I've been using for a while, and you can see that, only so much is gone. It just takes a little teeny tiny bit. And I'm rationing it because I think the coconut scent was a limited edition. I don't think you can buy it now. And I just love the smell. Oh my God. You guys know I love coconut and I love pineapple. So, been loving that. And that is pretty much going to do it for my favorites for the month. Now, if you want to know, oh, I forgot. These earrings have been a favorite. I love them. I think they're so pretty. I got these at Burlington. They were on clearance for $1.99. I've really been getting into earrings lately. I don't know if I told you guys, but like my hair, this is the longest. Well, I mean, it's 3 inches shorter now because I just had it cut. But this is like the longest hair I've had ever in my life. I have always had super, super short, like pixie type haircuts, even when I was a kid, because I had so much hair. My mom did not even know what to do with my hair. So I always had short hair. Never, ever, ever had long hair until I started letting it grow out about 5 years ago, I want to say. A little bit more than 5 years ago. My daughter was like, just start letting it grow. Let's see what it does. And my hair has always been like super straight. But once I started letting it grow out, I have curly hair now. I never had curly hair before. So I asked my doctor and he said it could be hormones. So I'm just like, I love it. Like, it's curly now. So that's awesome. But then I love when my daughter straightens it out and it's just nice and sleek, because I can just go to bed. I can not worry about my hair. But when it's curly, I have to like put it up, because if you have curly hair, you'll wake up with it like unbearable, unmanageable, and then you just have to wet it. So loving, having the long hair. I've never had long hair, so that's why now I'm kind of into earrings, because when I had short hair, I would have never wore a pair of these earrings because I would feel too self-conscious, like they would just be sticking out. But now that I have long hair, I've really been getting into earrings. I've always wore like hoops, you know, stuff like that, but now I'm branching out into a little bit more edgy. Hello. Do you want to say hello to your fans? Over here. Look, mister. Up here. Right here. Say hi. So yeah, I've been getting into the dangly pretty earrings, and I found that Burlington Coat Factory has a ton of them, and they're super cheap. I just bought another pair like a week or two ago, and they are by Guess or Nine West, and they're like a rose gold, and they're like a dangly. So I only have had those for a few weeks, so I didn't put them in this video, but maybe next month I'll make it in, and I'm sure you'll see me wearing them, so you'll see them and then you'll know which ones I'm talking about. But yeah, I've been loving these earrings. And then on my lips today, I have this Melting Pout by Covergirl, and it is, I guess the shade is 100. Oh, let's see, Gelebrity. I got this in a little 3-pack after Christmas at CVS. It's like a gel, but it doesn't dry down, and it's not like a liquid lipstick, so it wears off rather quickly. But I got 3 of them in a little, like, it was supposed to be like a gift pack for Christmas, and it was just sitting on some random shelf, and I was like, hey, I wonder if that's on clearance since it's after Christmas. And I scanned them, and it was $3.49 for the 3 of them. So that was another great deal that I had got. And my video that I uploaded like early this morning, I told you about a good deal that I got at Walgreens with the lip gloss and a liner by Rimmel. So if you haven't watched that, go watch it. I'll try to link it down below if I remember. And next, last thing, I promise. This I have on my eyes today. This is the Persona Identity Palette. Let me close my eyes so you can see the gorgeousness of it. It is, I'm so glad I got this, you guys. I talked about this in my video yesterday, that I went back and forth. Should I get it? Should I get it? Should I not? You know, so I decided to get it because it was $16 on one of the days in the 21 Days of Beauty from Ulta. So it was an online one that you could get. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it. I haven't heard anybody say anything negative about this palette, and I can see why. It is beautiful, and I thought, oh, it's just another neutral, but today on my lid I have this color right here, and they are so soft, so buttery, and it's like a green. I mean, it is so beautiful. That one is called Bombshell. So I think it's 6 mattes and 6 shimmers. But gorgeous, and they blend so beautifully. So I am so glad that I bought this. So I tried it out today for the first time. I have one of the colors as the inner corner highlights, and then I used this color and this color in the crease, and it just blends out so nicely, so good. So it's not a favorite because I just used it today, but I just wanted to tell you guys that's what's on my eyes. In case you were wondering, no nail polish today. My nails have been a mess, so haven't been doing them, but I might do them tonight so that my next video I'll have a nail polish for you guys. So that will wrap up my March favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's kind of long. I'll try to edit it down a little bit. And if you like this video and you made it to the end, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. Check the bell and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.